Okay, guys, let's stand up and greet each other for the day. Keep your circles. Thank you. Good afternoon, Cielo.
Good afternoon, Miss Gay. Good afternoon, Maddie. Good afternoon, Cielo. Good afternoon, honey. Good afternoon, Taylor. Good afternoon, honey. Good afternoon, Rachel. Good afternoon, Taylor. Good afternoon, David. Good afternoon, Rachel. Good afternoon, Rachel. Good afternoon, Kim. Good afternoon, Chloe. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Samantha. Good afternoon, Chloe. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ron. Good afternoon, Caleb. Good afternoon, Jackson. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Grady. Good afternoon, Jason. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Colby.
Good afternoon, Grady. Good afternoon, President.
What did we forget to do?
Good afternoon, Grady.
Good afternoon, Colby. Good afternoon, Kenzie. I think Kenzie. Oh. I forgot. Good afternoon, Haley.
You got to call her name first. Who else hasn't gone? That it?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Haley. All right, let's have a seat. Y'all must have had PE today.
Yeah.
Y'all were hot. Because y'all were hot, giving off heat. All right. Today we're going to talk about a legend. Who can tell me what a legend is or a myth?
You just said it. Old story.
An old story. Is it true?
No. Like myth like means not true.
Okay, but does it tell us something about life?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to read. I'm going to read you an old Cherokee legend. An elderly Cherokee Native American was teaching his grandchildren about life. He said to them, "A fight is going on inside me. It is a terrible fight, and it is between two wolves. One wolf is evil. He is fear, anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, competition, superiority, and ego. The other is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, sharing, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, friendship, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. This same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person too." They thought about it for a minute, and then one child asked his grandfather, "Which wolf will win, grandfather?" The elder simply replied, "The one you feed." Now I want you to think about that. I want you to think about that and tell me, what are we going to feed the good wolf and the bad wolf?
Bad wolf, nothing.
Well, if you want,
Doggy.
if you're going to, if you want the bad wolf to win, then how do you feed the bad wolf?
Confident. Not doing bad things. Anger.
Okay. So you have anger. If you want the good wolf to win, what are you going to feed him?
Confidence. Encourage them.
All right, one at a time. Raise your hands. Rachel. Empathy. What is empathy? Put yourself in someone else's shoes. Colby. Okay, confidence. Dakota. Happiness. Jackson.
Serenity and peace.
Serenity and peace. Who else had their hand up?
Gritty.
Cielo.
Good and kind.
Kind. So how do we do that, guys? What is Taylor?
Hey.
Like others want to be treated in a good way.
So the golden rule.
Yeah.
Okay. Maddie.
Battle for bully food.
Okay, so the bad wolf is the bully.
Or dear me.
Samantha, you look like you had something to say.
Beat it, Maddie.
Respect others. Jackson?
If you want the bad wolf to win, sorrow.
Sorrow. What else?
Darkness.
Okay, so what does it look like when we feed the good wolf empathy or happiness or kindness? What is that going to look like?
He's gonna be happy and say good things to other people.
Okay, so you're going to say good things to others. What else?
Have a smile. Right?
The good wolf. Respect. Ryan, you got something to add?
I'm thinking
Helpful.
Helpful.
Be helpful to me.